Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I help you how to modify custom viewports in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start. Now, your default AutoCAD single viewport interface. Okay, now you want to modify two viewports. Okay, you can do the following. Now you look here. You look here. Okay, so you click and select viewport configuration list. Okay, so single to vertical to horizontal, 3 right, 3 left, 3 above, 3 below, 3 vertical, 3 horizontal. Okay, 4 equals right, left, very much viewports. Now you click the two viewports vertical. Okay, now you look interface AutoCAD two viewports vertical. Now you are working every viewport. Okay, very easy. Okay, so again, so click here to horizontal. Okay, horizontal. Yes, very easy. Okay, so click here, trees, right? Okay, 1 viewport, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, very easy. Okay, again, so slash 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very easy. 3. Wow, race. Okay, so restart single viewport. Click here, view single. Okay, so very easy. Now this video to the end here. So if this video helpful to you, please subscribe, like, to share, comment. Everyone, thank you so much.